Hey, what's up, PanCakeswap holder? What's going on this time? You can see here, my friend, the PanCakeswap price is thumbs down in last 24 hour minus 4.21%. But if we check out the last 7 days change occurring, so you can see here it's gonna be negative, it's gonna be positive. But in last 24 hours, they will change occurring negative. So therefore, what's the reason, my friend, which I found it that is very important for all of my viewers, my subscriber. Kindly keep watch the video and please subscribe this channel if you are new my channel. Click out the subscribe button and press bell icon for videos notification. Hope you subscribe it. My friend, this time if we can see the PanCakeswap price is decreasing totally from last 7 days, from last 1 day, from last 1 hour. That's mean to all change occurring is completely negative and everything is going very badly in a bad now, my friend, because after a very long time, my friend, PanCakeswap were damaged down. So I never expect this like that, but don't very be relaxed now. I hope my friend we're gonna be do this now. So if you can see, my friend, if we check out the chart results, what expert says, I'm going to discuss now. But please, if you want to get a profit now, so follow my friend our instruction. I hope you will be get a very good profit now. This time, as you can see, my friends, the PanCakeswap price is totally dumps down, and remember to when a coin will dumps down. So after that, I hope they will get a very good profit, and they are completely on the profit now. Thanks for watching. Kindly like video and please PanCakeswap follower. What's your opinion? What's your advice? Share it in a comment box because this is a very important for me and also for my viewers, my subscriber. Allah Hafiz. Take care and please subscribe our YouTube channel.